ሰላም ክቡራ ስድራና ከመይ ኣለኹም እንዳሓን ኣለኹም ሰላም ትህሉ ከምሩ ተስፋይና ሞለ ማዓንቲ ከም ዝትርእይዎ ፍሉይ ዝበለ ሓበን እዚ ናይ ሎም ማዓንቲ ካብ ጠለብኩም እዩ ንሓበን ኣምጥዎ ንሳዋ ኣምጥዎ إلكم بزح تعرفكم لما عندي حابب مدينة هلا سلازي حابب كنا مساهم كنا ممكن ساتينا حابب نودي فريقه مدينة لما عندي بتعمل صدق جدا هلا فعلنا كم بتأخر لها مساهم إنجاك نجبر هلا نقول أدارنا مساهم كنا غلعنا أنا مبالغين ودي سلام كلكم حابب من هلا بعلو
سلام عندكم اللهم خير مسكين لما أنت بقول ساتينا مسحابنا جن لما أنت تقولنا حابس ذلكل تقولنا نهزارب تقولنا كنا نهزارب بإنجليزنا نهزارب مساعدهم عندهم تقولنا رسعنايون جن حابك سمعنا سبدلنا تقولنا نهزاربنا بإنجليز كنزاروينا so Haben, welcome to MamaGebar podcast. We're happy to have you. Introduce yourself for the people that don't know about you.
Thank you for coming. Yeah. Go ahead.
Salam Dahando, Haben here. You know, we made it out today. But I have some bun with MamaGebar and Gebar, you know. So we're gonna have some talk.
Hey,
Wow.
come on, man.
Thank you. Yeah. Welcome anytime for MamaGebar coffee.
Hey.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is your second time having bun, right? Coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you like a coffee person, or you're okay with it?
Yeah, it's so, yeah. But last time we... last time we did this was really good though, so
Yeah,
I'm
last
excited
time-
to try it again.
Especially last time you came was you and Sawa.
Yeah.
We had some bun, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I want to go back to the last time conversation we had. I know some people were saying, no, we got to involve you in the conversation and stuff, so... But at the same time, we couldn't because, like, you don't speak Tigrinya, but you could,
Yeah, it's hard.
you know a couple words in there, here and there, but it's kind of hard to integrate you into the conversation. And a lot of people were like, yo, next time you got to involve Haben more in the conversation,
Yeah.
so on, so on. So today we're going to, we're going to be speaking Tigrinya so you can understand this. We're going to talk to you, we're going to chop it up and see, where you've been, how's life, and your goals, aspiration, everything, you know what I'm saying?
Alright.
So yeah,
Sounds
so
good.
we're gonna get it started soon. Y'all stay tuned. If you haven't subscribe, go right through.
بون كل جزء أنا على اللي أتقرب الجيم تزمدك إكنا علينا حتى تلينا كحاتمي السمون كحاتمي كل يوم
Yeah.
الذي حابب if you have question you can ask me
Okay.
about culture about anything
Yeah.
about my son when you see him something outside with you can tell me you can ask me you can tell me how whatever you want just and my son same thing to him sorry I'm not good with the English but I'm trying to understand Haben I'm
Yeah.
trying I don't have good
It's still good though.
oh thank
Yeah,
you
I understand
thank you
everything.
so I'm trying just a second language
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah. كنت تفوتوا حابن كبنيشتو مسودي بحدا عبيو كم ودي إزريو ودي خاني بقى كل نجار داك حدا عين تبع يزلوهم قات أمخين حدا برز ديالهم بتاع غير ماكو كذا نقدر لكم الأنبر قات أمخينو أبحنت معلتي ناتو برز دي so بقول نجار كأني حدا ولا تبعيون حدا كوينام زرعيني حابن he's very quiet person he's very nice person ناتو personality very very good بتعمي كاب ودي زفلية بقولن سلازي بتعمي أتفوتو بتعمي أزخبره I respect you حابن so I love you so much I told them so I'm looking here exactly like my son because I know you beginning, you know, when my son start school.
Yeah.
So, ooh,
لرازي حتى معي
زربا.
خمس ولاتكم أنا اليوم بحسب birthday لنا امتحنت مع معاتي. So you know, let's go back to how we met. I don't think people really know how we met. You feel me?
Right.
So, like, what would you say was the first time we met?
I think like, I'm pretty sure like PE, 6th grade.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cause like we're both very competitive kids. Like we love sports and just love, running around and stuff. And I like saw he was really good at, I think it was basketball when we started it. And we just started playing like every day, and then from there we go to basketball to math class.
Yeah.
And from there that's when we finally started talking. We're like, yo, like we done to play today at lunch, and we started like every day. We wouldn't even eat. We just go straight to playing sports and just sweating like crazy in class, and just it's just things you do when you're a kid. So
it's true. Yeah, me and him, like he said, we met through basketball thing. Like when I first came to America, like bro, I was so in love with basketball. Like, I love soccer too, but I don't know what was about basketball that like I fell in love with it. Like cause maybe because I never played it,
Yeah.
So like when I came to America, I love basketball. So like I wanted to do that forever, I want to actually be a professional basketball player. Once I found out how much money they make, bro, I want to be a professional basketball player. So I was playing basketball, and he was good at basketball too. But we would always compete in basketball, and then like later on, I found out he plays soccer also, because he's like a soccer fan also, like me. So we had a common connection. So like he plays soccer, I play soccer. He played basketball, I play basketball. And I don't know, like I think we just started talking because we had the same class also, and we had the same like PE class, like physical education. So from there, and then we just started talking. And then the crazy part is I didn't know we had the same birthday until like 3 years, 4 years later. Until like I was on Facebook, right? On Facebook near Facebook profile. Facebook like 2007, 2000, like 2010 around there. Facebook Facebook profile create not to create not to create حجي هذا قلت عمل قال لي create Facebook مالتي. So in 2010 or something, when we was like in 8th grade, I think that's when it said my birthday. It said it's today's Leo's birthday on Facebook. And then I messaged him. I'm like, bro, we have the same birthday, bro. And I messaged him on Facebook that, and he's like, bro, for real? He was like, yeah, bro. He was like, I was born October 27 too. And then it was crazy. Like he couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it too, cause like I didn't even think about that, Like his Facebook told me like, yo, you and Haben have the same birthday. So I was like, oh. Yeah, I was like trippy, I was like, that's crazy.
God, yeah. Say thank you to Facebook.
Yeah, Mark Zuckerberg.
Yeah.
Bro. Yeah, so that's how we met. And then like so then ever since then we used to like talk through like phone and stuff. And then we went to the same high school, so he lived like literally like 5 minutes from the high school, so he could walk to school like every day. And then I used to be like, damn, you're lucky, bro. You could go at lunch to your house, eat, and come back.
Wow.
Yeah, but like, but at middle school, is it خبلع قاليني خبلع ab lunch تبغى يبلني. So like at lunch, this guy used to eat good. Like when I say good, he used to eat like pizza. He used to eat like chicken wings, like chicken strips. كل ما بيجي يبلني يقرمني. أنا قرب I was fat a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Back then I was like a little chubby. And he used to eat good. I'm like, bro, how you not get fat? Like you eating all that food? Bro, you used to eat all them chicken strips every day, bro. So like,
It's not fat.
I always wonder. I'm like, bro, how you not get fat, bro?
Maybe sport.
Nah, his metabolism was good back then.
Oh.
He was good at metabolism, but
body processes it quick.
Oh, that's good.
But it's funny because once we started to get to know each other, we had in 8th grade we had PE right before lunchtime. So we'll be the first ones out right in front of the line. And once the bell rings, me and him will race to the front of the line to get our food. It was just it's so funny. Like, no one will be running. Or actually, like, a lot of kids will just be running towards the line.
In middle school, come here. Like, lunch to after bell hats, especially in her America, like in her تصبط هنا خلتي فيها تفدس لكم بell مس خانت معتي lunch قال لي انقل أنا تابل أكون تفدسوك أنا إذا فدسوكم تبلكها يبلغ قالين. Just sometimes the teacher be like the bell doesn't dismiss you, I dismiss you even when the bell rings, you know. So sometimes we luckily have good teachers. Sometimes they would let us leave like right when the bell ring, but we and him, bro, we used to be like running because you gotta realize in middle school the food it runs out, you know. So like if you don't go there first, the food's gonna be gone, and then you're only gonna have the nasty foods, you know. So yeah, the good one like the pizza, the chicken strips, you gotta be first in line. So like me and him, we used to run like to be first in line, and then it was crazy, like. But we used to eat that, and then
we'll go straight to basketball.
Yeah, eat that straight basketball. Basketball كان تاكلنا. We used to play basketball, right? أبلاج معتي. بلينا بلي حمشة ده بليها basketball تعرف دقيقة. أنا زي competitive أنا competitive صار competitive. هجي وأنا قلنا نساعد بس team كنا قانت خوينا. نساعد قاب تاع بيلت هون. بيلت مش كل كام ناب mathematics لنا class math class. Then when we go to math class. تعم حر sweaty like you know like we're sweaty like you know like راحت كوينا خلتنا after class نتمهرنا notebook جرنا هم نقبر نتمهرنا like this like with a notebook like the whole period bro the whole period and then that's middle school then let him know like how we went to high school. Then we went to high school freshman year and then I told him to play on the soccer team. On my high school team, he was like, "You want to play soccer?" I was like, "Yeah, play with the same team." And then me and him tried out for the soccer team, for the freshman team. And then you could tell him how that went. We made the team, and then we was okay, you feel me? We wasn't the best at soccer, you feel me? Because we were a little out of shape and stuff. But we made the team, and then how you think that went? Freshman year soccer.
I'm pretty good. I feel like it brought us like a little closer because with teams in school, you get out of school early and then you have to go to a different school. So we would always ride together, and that's when we'll talk a little more, and we got more closer as friends. So I feel like that did bring our friendship like a little bit better. And then from there we would just start hanging out like every day.
That's what. It was hard for you to understand. Not speak.
No, my English was good.
It was good.
Yeah, it's pretty
Can't
good.
lie, man. My English was good.
Good.
It was a little broken, but I think
we will understand what you're saying. But like as kids, like you don't really like make fun of like kids like that. You understand them in different ways. Like we said, like we both play sports, so that's how we understood each other.
Oh yeah.
So we would like both be good at the sport and just connect that way.
Connect that way. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta forget. We're gonna go back. In middle school, we're gonna go back to middle school before we go to high school. In middle school, we used to at lunch like when it's lunchtime, we were so competitive. So like, boxing. Boxing. So we started body boxing. So boxing حجي أنا حدا زعم سكت خوينه ويزعم أنا خبها حيل لك أوكي نعم في bathroom نخيل بذا. So we go to the bathroom boxing try خابز تحت معي boxing خاب كسر كان تحتي اختارم تخلها. نايم حكم بري هم تهارم تعش قبل دوز بالحدا وقايس أزل. يا حج هم نكبرنا أبلانش.
حبيبهم.
after bathroom نايم bathroom نايم هرب كان جوان زسر. So هم يرنا bathroom نايم one time أنا هذا عركي أنا خلكايلني. So my friend was like, I'm better than you. I was like, nah, I'm better than you, you know? So I was like, let's box then. Yeah, he's like, I'm stronger than you. I was like, no, I'm stronger than you. So we go to the bathroom, and then we start boxing, like just hitting some, like from shoulder neck down. You know, that's it. So come with you. So then everybody around you like, oh, come on, let's go. And then back then there was no camera. Like only like 1 or 2 people had camera, like phone camera, iPhone. Like they don't have iPhone, they had the flip phone, like the one that comes out. تاع تليفون نوتس كم هذا قالت حما نيرو حجي خمون قبل قال حوجا نيرو قال لهم حدا جايزه تفرح حنيك خيط قد حن قال خاتم ديرك قال حاجه خو توتي كما مرت فايتهم تعشوا the teacher find out you were body boxing you get suspended for a day or two so Anna like me I did like 2 body boxing I did 2 after lunch I think I won you think I won both of them I did 2 right I think I won both of them I won hunting one time I did a body box with this Asian kid he's my friend too he was our friend and we did it you know we body boxed and I think like we won like we both like we was good and I think I said I won
I wish I know that I wish I know that نغطكم معنا يصير time out I wish I know that I wish I know that
so then we did that.
That's not good
yeah
that's not good
but you know they were trying to make us me and Haben do it I was like come on Haben let's do it you know yeah I was gonna do it that's how they tell you they were like okay who's next who's stronger next the next day or something you know like شايكون معك حد بس maybe different day different week they're like Haben and Gaba you know I was like yeah come on let's go like I was telling him like come on let's do it you know Haben's like he's like nah like I don't want to do it right now like this and that you know it's not because he was scared
Haben is smart
he wasn't scared
smart.
he was just like he was like he just wanted to do it because he didn't like and he's strong too I ain't gonna lie like Haben as a go I think you would have won bro he's very strong so it means I was skinny you know I don't know how to punch good but I wanted to fight it everybody was like Haben and go come on let's go come on guys like but he's like nah I don't want to do it or something happened I don't know what happened we didn't do it you know but then at the same time they asked him too
he said no that's why he didn't do it
I don't know what happened
he's good
yeah and then قال معها نحد صبوا نيرو خمس حيل الدور صبوا Mexican ودي they were like Haben and him because is a high low like it was Haben and the other Mexican guy the strong guy he's very good too they were gonna make him fight him Haben did not want to fight that he was the number 1 so the high اللي خاب كله he was the number 1 he's the strongest one like he's professional boxer مايتي تودي حدا مكسيكان عطهم تمرتنا بنسكو ماتي كباس ولا اللي نسو خان استبقاس يسعر نيرو everybody he wouldn't win every fight so they were trying to make him fight him and then I don't know how did not want to fight again
we're doing it we're in PE we're all outside but it's raining it was raining and I was gonna do it we're gonna start but then the teacher saved me oh my god he's like everybody get inside right now it's raining
that's good
I was like oh
thank you God
I was scared but I was gonna do it but I was scared
bro you
saved me
that nigga was good he was good he was professional boxer like never hacking professional ab gym can use to change governor
really
yeah
maybe he's big too
yeah he's strong yeah
the same
no he's the same age as us but he was strong he's professional he does that for like professional he comes in we're shot now soccer and this is professional out boxing yeah he was like crazy you know he's crazy good he was fast so that's how we like conversation
MamaGebar I wish I know that time I wish I know you know me so
but that's what happened the hype حتى لما طلعنا من high school كمان يقولوا تبدأ
okay then I middle school that's good that's for middle school so how about the high school tell me don't
okay we're gonna start with the soccer part first alright we're gonna start so when we play soccer me and him were on the same freshman team right I've had his freshman team نيرنا we a bench نيرنا so black when we was on the bench and then we had one day we had team picture نسأله له ناي غانتا تسلي معتي ناي غانتا سلنينا أب كلام ترخبوا أبزي ساعتي لومنا أنا مسيح خسال بقى أفرو نيرن شعوري أفرو كريو خسال مسيح I was in a team picture you know and then I was like I look around at my teammates you know I was trying to see where he at you know I look around like where is he at? Like, where's Haben I'm like I can't find him I was like what happened to him I couldn't know what happened you know he didn't show up to the picture so we took the picture without Haben
why
I don't know so then the next day he comes to school I'm like bro where were you we took the picture I don't know what happened bro why did you miss the team picture
I was on vacation nobody told me nothing That's cause my parents are also like kind of like foreign too. They're from Mexico,
Yeah.
so they don't understand emails. And they send my parents email like, "Oh, we have picture day," but my parents don't know how to work the email, so we never knew. So I was like, yeah, he told me the next day. He's like, "Where were you?" I was like, "What are you talking about?" He's like, you didn't come to picture day." I was like, "Oh no way!" And I was sad, but I didn't know.
Yeah.
It's actually the picture that you have on the wall right there.
Yeah.
He should have been on there.
I was supposed to be
Oh,
there.
He missed it.
Oh.
I had no idea.
But I feel like there's some pictures though of us on the bench like from there gotta be.
There's no way.
Somewhere in there.
There's no way that next time they take your picture, they put you.
Photoshop.
No?
Yeah, Photoshop.
No?
I mean they can, but I don't think they do that.
Wow.
It's professional, that's right.
Yeah.
But still, he's playing.
Yeah, he still play, but he was off the
Just
picture. I
not for
never.
picture day.
That's only that picture. Wow.
Yeah,
that's-
so Khamukhaynu.
Yeah, we probably got a picture
Wow.
somewhere.
And then the funniest thing that ever happened to us was when we went to were you at this other game?
Of course.
I told my mother,
Give you a lick out.
bro, that was so, mind you, I'm like fresh off Africa. So we had a game, all right, you guys. We had a game, right? We had a
Tournament.
Oh yeah, tournament. We had a
That's what you
tournament.
had to do because we were there all day.
Yeah, so we had a tournament. We have to play like 3 games a day, you know. So we went to a place where we play soccer far away, like 2 hours away, and then my mom. There's a mom that took us there because, mind you, MamaGebar, she was working, so she couldn't take us to my soccer game. His mom, she was working, she couldn't take us. His dad was working, she couldn't take us to the soccer game. So the only option we had was this Asian guy. His mom was able to take us to the soccer game.
Right,
So we carpool with him, you know?
She helping us.
Yeah, she helping us. So she was like, yeah, you guys can come with us. And then we were friends with the Asian kid. So we went in the car with the Asian kid. And as soon as we get in the car, the mom's like, oh, I got you. What'd she give us?
Grilled cheese.
Yeah, she gave us a grilled cheese. She's like, I got you grilled cheese. To his son too, she gave us 3 grilled cheese. Grilled cheese, mate, bani, mis cheese. So she gave us grilled cheese, mind you, after school, you know. We was hungry. We was eating that. We were like,
Oh, so good.
yeah, it was good grilled cheese too. I ain't gonna lie.
That was good.
It was really grilled cheese.
Anyway.
We ate that, then we went to the game, and then as we was warming up, you know, I'm warming up. Haben's right next to me. I'm like, bro, my stomach started hurting, bro. He's like, your stomach hurting? He's like, no. I was like, my stomach hurting, bro. I was like, I don't know why. He's like, bro, I don't know. He's like, just warm up. Maybe it will go away. So we warming it up, right? We warm it up. The more I warm up, the more my stomach hurts. So then I'm like, bro, where's the bathroom? He's like, I don't know. There might be a portable right there. Portable. I was like, Adi, شاء الله comes here. بعلوز دوز بالشاء comes here. دقز قبل. comes بعلوز. كان عسوا. هم جان هم تتقيم فدني. But so then he told me he's like, go to the portable. So I go to the portable. I knock. It was one portable. Hey, cool stuff. Bathroom I felt when I come to the bathroom. We don't know where the bathroom is. So then I go to a portable, it was right there. I knock on the door, there was some lady in there. And I was like, bro, no way. So I go back to the soccer field, right? So I told him, I'm like, yo, the portable's locked. Why are you sad?
Oh my God.
It's a regular story.
Oh my God.
So then I go back to the soccer field and I told Haben, I'm like, yo, bro, the portable's locked. What do I do? He's like, I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know what to do. He's like, just hold it. I'm like, bro, I can't, bro. My stomach is hurting, bro. He's like, no. He's like, I don't know what to tell you. Then I ran from the soccer field, right? Then I go to the baseball field. Baseball field near. Like baseball, it's out to the
We're starting in 5 minutes.
Yeah, we started in 5 minutes. The game.
Like, oh, I gotta go right now.
And bro, the coach was starting me for the first time too. Yeah.
Oh my God.
That was my first time. He's like, yeah, Gebar, you're gonna start today. I was the bench the whole year. That was my first time starting. After baseball you know, back in second 80, bro, there's a lot of places you can hide. You could take a shit.
Yeah.
I go there, the baseball field is open. So I go there, but I make hard daily. At the baseball field. There was a baseball field, there was people playing the baseball like this, throwing the ball in the high school. So I threw my pen, I go like this, and I just you know, I was taking a poop, you know? So then the baseball guy was throwing a baseball like this. He threw the ball. He looks at me, and we make eye contact. We make eye contact straight in the face. And I was like, I didn't say nothing. I just kept going because I was like, I can't stop. Don't put that in there. So I just kept pooping. Bro, my stomach was hurting. It was, you know, when you have diarrhea, you can't stop that, you know?
It's so hard.
Yeah, so then I just kept going, and then I couldn't find where to wipe my butt.
Oh.
Now can I never again? So I was like, bro, what do I do now? So then lucky, I was so lucky, there was a cardboard. Like basically a cardboard, you know? I got that. The guy was looking at me still. I'm like, bro, what are you looking at me for? Just like, look away, bro. Just keep playing basketball. He kept looking at me. And I was like, fuck it, bro. I don't know. I don't know this person. He never gonna see me a day in his life. Doesn't matter. Because bro, it's a random school. I use a cardboard and I go back to the game, and then the game already started, and then the coach put me on the bench, and then I didn't even start. Yeah, and then that's what happened. That was the worst time, bro. Like
The worst, yeah.
embarrassing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
نخسر أخوان سيف أو نسمع.
Okay, بون تجي تدالي الله.
بنت غادي حلا كل جزء. قاشا خبوريو هلنا حبل.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright.
Yeah. Wow.
إن شاء الله لكم. High school, middle school, بحسب من خدنا college ولا بحسب من كي حسبنا كن عيت سمع معنا ناتو خال حسب نيرو أنا خال حسب نيروني بحسب كنا كن أنزلنا لكم high school خلنا كن he looks quiet right to you guys نجو quiet مسد quiet you know happy
Yeah, quiet.
من سوار دي كن زارب قلي he be talking to the girl, you know what I mean? He's not quiet with the girl, he's quiet with the guys. He's not quiet with the girl.
Really?
Yeah.
Honestly, he's a very quiet person in photo.
Yeah, he's not quiet in high school.
But I didn't
I think what happened is, he's good looking, right?
He's good looking.
Yeah, so, you know, he had the girls, you know? And on the other hand, you know, like, me hanging out with him, you know, he would, you know what I'm saying? He would introduce me to the girls, you know? He would show me around, you know what I'm saying? So in high school, he was, you know, he was a popular kid.
Oh, good, yeah.
I like to talk to the shikorinas.
Yeah, come on, let him know.
Shikorina wadi. Wow, Tigrinya. Sabi ko mo.
Yeah, he was talking to the shikorinas.
Shikorina. Wow. Have Shikorina, huh? Shikorina tabayon alaka. You have good personality.
Yeah.
Very good, quiet person. Respect people. You have everything. That's why they told you Shikorina. Yeah.
Okay, so when do you feel like you at this point in your life for me? What do you feel like? Do you feel like you about to get married soon, anytime soon? Yeah, ta'ambun.
Ta'ambun.
Say
Ta'ambun.
ta'ambun is good.
Ta'ambun.
Ta'ambun. Wow.
Ta'ambun.
Yeah.
Good job, Haben.
Ta'ambun.
You put sugar on it. You want more? You can put more if you want.
That's fine like that.
It's good.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you.
So yeah, so like I said, you know, what do you feel like you about to get married anytime soon, or what's, you know what I'm saying? Or are you gonna be single for a couple more years and then you're gonna, you know what I'm saying, settle down?
That's a good question. You know, I feel like nowadays it's kind of like tough to like for marriage.
Yeah.
Cause you know, just the way we live in this, what's it called, this century, I would say. There's like a lot of social media. I don't know if you know, like Facebook, everything. It's easy to get around and talk to people. So it's like, let's say you fall in love, they could talk to somebody else and you wouldn't even know. But back in the day, you say, you go to the store or you go for a walk and you find someone that you find attractive, someone beautiful, you get to know them, and then it's a perfect relationship. But nowadays it's like, there's so many obstacles that you gotta go through to secure that relationship. So it's tough, you know.
Yeah.
It's a tough question.
It's tough. Okay, go ahead, finish.
Yeah. I think I'll see myself marrying, but maybe a few more years.
Because the only reason I said that because he asked me حاتيتني أب عندهم سي قلتي فهم ديم زمر عيو وخمانا مشكون يوم زمر عيو إليه قلتي فهم زمر عيو because he asked me like in my country do people get married early you know but which is true they do get married early.
They have kids early.
Yeah, they have kids early. Everything. All my friends.
They together forever almost. Not social media over there, you know. So just start when you marry with someone. You have to. You don't see anyone. After that, you don't see there or both.
Yeah.
So
there's no temptation because like you feel me like there's no like a lot of you know what I'm saying like
yeah, they love no they love each other and then they have kids they watch them live you know
Yeah.
so even men doesn't go a lot of people at this time a lot of people beautiful you know same here but a little bit different no social media
Yeah.
so they start whatever you have just it after that.
Yeah.
When you marry.
Because the problem is here is like so like let's say back home.
Yeah.
I mean they don't really care like it's like you being rich or poor it's not gonna really affect a girl because like most of the people are middle class in that area you know like you're not gonna be rich like an marriage is rare for you you could be rich but it's rare that if you're gonna have a rich husband you know so it's not like tempting doesn't affect the wealth out here bro oh my gosh a girl oh my gosh she would care a lot like a girl literally
what's your job
how much you making Mike
what car you drive everything
like
that's not good
also
you have to
it's not good.
That's not good.
They love attention. Also, they love attention. They want to look good. They want to wear the most expensive purse, $15,000 purse. They want $10,000 ring. I'm broke. I can't give you all that. So I'm better off single, bro.
No.
You know the thing is, Abzi, God, architects ما يسكح تدكي بقى like you go more broke تحقق سالكا قلت بلايكا vacation توستا قلت توستا it's a lot expensive قلت حيسكا عقد حيسكا it's too much bro it's expensive bro like he could tell you man he been in a relationship before so when you're in a relationship you spend a lot of money on the girl just to you know keep the girl happy.
I think that أنا خمس مثلا نفسي I can explain in Tigrinya. I'm gonna explain to Haben, okay?
Okay.
Now I can مثلا نفسي أبدسي ولا تعقل تموتنا حبنسي فتياتك ونتن نجنزك تكاني حاول.
No تفوت ويا.
No. No. If you love, you don't need anything. If love, the real love. So even if you don't have money, you can grow up together, you know, to get money.
Yeah.
That's the real love. If not real love, just gonna use you for the money, for the birds, for the something, for the shoes, for the food, for the. If she wants that, so she's not real. She's not real.
The other thing is.
Yeah.
The other thing is not that. It's just.
I don't know. That's my thing.
Yeah, that's true. But you gotta realize, out here, there's a saying called, "These girls ain't loyal." What does that mean? One day they love you, the next day they don't love you. They with the next person.
That's why that's not real. That's
okay,
not
yeah,
real.
but that's how every girl is nowadays. Not every girl, but most girls are nowadays. Like
out here in America. Yeah.
What we see, what we see in our eyes, today's world, they could have a boyfriend for 4 years. They will have another boyfriend in the next month with a new guy. It's true.
What do you think? How's gonna if?
That's why today is a lot of people don't even, you know what I'm saying? They know it's just here and there, whatever. Cause social media attention for وين قالت عودات كا عينهم سحبوا ونقلت والد. You know we see a bad girl on Instagram, we get attracted. You know it's distraction, a lot of distraction. you know, a lot of bodies go around a lot of عينن صغيروا لوا منحسن صغيروا لوا معكورن صغيروا لوا they be changing their butt, lips, everything. Bro, so like in today's world, I can't tell you. Like there's too much distraction, too much fake, you know? So
because they like to live fast. So they like everything the best for themselves, and if you can't be on the same level as them, then they look for somebody else that is better than you. Because they want all the money, like how they look on social
They love the
pictures,
money, not love
everything.
person.
Yeah. Because also, like, that's why I asked him, in your culture, do they get married quick? Because in mine, where my parents are from, they do. Because the way they do it, where my parents are from, is once they see you with a girl, and then they see you, like, go hanging out and stuff, you have to marry her.
Right. Yeah.
Like, both parents, they make you marry. And there's no going back.
The same thing,
So
back home, same thing. So,
but out here you gotta, you know what I'm saying, test some waters. you gotta test some waters at the end of the day. Because you can't know a girl like by just hanging out with her one day and then you know her. You know what I'm saying? You gotta hang out with her like maybe like a couple months, you know what I'm saying, 3 months or 4 months, and then maybe you could date her. Sure, personality مستفاد كعجلة. You know? عدنا again. حنت مع حنت صوم مساعد تزاريبك تزانيجيها. automatically خطفته. As I did, maybe you need like 3 months, 4 months, maybe 6 months.
3 months, 4 months تصبح لها أنا زغورة نقدر كافري الله عند حريم.
Exactly. Yeah, so that's why it's tricky in America. But you know, we just gotta, you know, be.
So, and Haben and you, and as Maslani, what do you think? Do you want to go back to Mexico to get married? The real person?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they still have the same way of thinking over there.
Yeah.
They don't think like America.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I also talk to my cousins that are getting married over there, and they tell me, yeah, we don't worry about none of that, like everything.
Right, yeah.
Love is love there, you know?
Love's love, yeah, the real love.
I want that.
Yeah.
In Gabar too.
Yeah. My thing is.
Think, not now, but think.
Yeah. I told Haben this. I told Haben this a long time ago. I was like, once you get married, then I'll get married, Haben, after you. I told him that. So whenever Haben get married, then I'll get married after him. He's gonna be the first person to get married. That's the challenge.
Get married same year.
No, after him. I wanna see Haben first. You feel me? If he likes getting married, then I'm gonna marry. You feel me? If he's telling me no marriage is bad, then I might not marry somebody.
That is good, but
it's a little test.
No, go back.
This is a test dummy.
No, Haben.
And if Haben have kids, and he told me it's good to have kids, I'm gonna have more kids. That's how I told him from a long time, huh? Yes, I told him.
No, Haben. Haben, when he's gonna get married, so he's gonna get good person.
Yeah, he's gonna find wife.
Very good person, good heart.
Yeah.
He don't need money, he don't need anything, she don't need the money from you. You don't need money from her. Just you need good heart to connect with you. Real.
True.
Yeah. Just and then you're gonna growing up together, working together. I like that.
Yeah.
So
we'll see.
It's just hard to find in America girls like that.
No, back home.
But,
Just go there. Yeah. Take time, then just just contact with your family over there.
Arrange marriage.
Then go over there. No, you have to go sometimes,
Yeah.
And then you're gonna get good person for future, like your mom and your dad, Yeah.
I need to find one that will come with me to Eritrea. Okay. You're coming with me.
Okay.
One with Jibar, yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna visit.
Do you wanna go there to get from there?
No, he said he wants a girl
They'll come with me.
that will come to Africa and travel with him.
Yeah.
So to travel to Gabarak
Oh, yeah. Sure. Yeah, they like to travel. They like to, you know, like whatever you want.
Yeah. They need a love Angela too, like me.
She's gonna learn. Yeah, you can't teach her. You can't teach her. Yeah, there's no problem about that. Just
the other problem is nowadays a lot of girls like they're not like wifey material, bro. Like they don't know how to cook. They don't know how to do nothing except look good.
Yeah.
That's all they do. They just look good.
That's all they
like,
worry about.
You know what I'm saying? They look good. They don't have no like wife material quality. You know, they don't know how to cook. They don't they don't make their bed. They don't know how to make simple things. You know what I'm saying? Like they sometimes these girls act like guys. Like, you know what I'm saying?
like a man Harish.
So it's hard, bro.
That's not good, you know.
They want to go out to the club every Friday.
Drink.
No.
Drink. Turn up.
No.
Like,
No, X. No. Club, nightclub.
It's like a bunny. The problem is we find these girls there only though. That's the only place we could talk to them. You can never find. I mean, you can find a girl like on the street, but it's rare, bro. Like the girls you're gonna find maybe at the club, you know. زعبت حاجات زرع أتراخكم وخاب عادي ما بزحتي كم زي natural like تركبانها والد أبز عادي natural ما اسمه زي أبصراحة it's rare like that. Usually you find girls at the club, like that's how people usually find girls. Good. Because what's I you never find girls outside. They be home all day and then they go out on Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
أبصراحة
You can't find them at work nowhere except the club. Online or the club, yeah, literally. Instagram or the club. That's your only option. Instagram, when you look at the girls on Instagram, oh my goodness. And then, why? Right, bro? You see on the gram, you be like, God damn, she's bad. Like, and then you see her in person, she's like, she's a regular girl. Catfish, even bottom.
Yeah. Not like back home too, where you're from. You can't just chill at the church and do the flax on.
The cathedral. I'm just hopefully حروالك حرات ريان قال أو يمسك خفلا أو يهجن Instagram نايا اسمه أو يكتير بلالو.
بتغسيان كأنه.
Yeah. No.
بتغسيان كسنبت نعم بتغسيان توترون كا. That's good action. بتغسيان you have to pray to get good girl, you know.
Yeah.
And then you have to go to church every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
Yeah, and then you have to watch her at least 1 year, 2 years there, you know. How she, you know, after that, you can ask her.
You're not gonna find no church girl.
Yeah.
America is impossible to find a church girl.
No,
it's hard.
No, Mexican people, they...
Yeah, they go to church a lot.
Yeah, and then Habesha, same thing. You can get good girl from the church.
Yeah, for sure. I need that.
For sure, yeah. So, okay, بون نمعنا اللي أتكبر كل جزء. أول ستينا لنا نحن خنقص لعنا مسلكي نعهم كن كاين حزاكم. إذا لو ما عند زقرنايا دس لكم قوون تسفان جبر نعلال نتوتعي كلا قمنا قريب أو هاري تخم حوسو لايك كومنت سبسكرايب شير عترسعو كان جزء بخانة حستوس قابل الرهب سلامن تعنان كسانة النعهم ciao